Welcome to the introduction of the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our world in countless ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries and our daily lives. It's rapidly changing the nature of work as businesses adopt AI to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions is enhancing productivity across various sectors. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI are automating assembly lines, increasing output and reducing costs. In finance, AI algorithms are being used to detect fraud, assess risks, and provide personalized financial advice. However, the integration of AI into the workplace is not without its challenges. While AI offers tremendous potential for economic growth and societal progress, it also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and privacy. It's crucial to acknowledge and address these concerns to ensure that AI benefits all members of society. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to foster a balanced approach that harnesses its power while mitigating potential risks. This requires collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, and researchers to develop ethical guidelines, promote responsible AI development, and prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. In our second section, we delve into the rise of machines and AI's impact on jobs. One of the most significant concerns surrounding AI is its potential to displace human workers. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This has led to fears of widespread job losses, particularly in sectors where tasks are repetitive or easily automated. A 2023 study by the World Economic Forum predicts that AI will displace 85 million jobs globally by 2025. However, the study also highlights that AI will create 97 million new jobs in areas such as data analysis, AI development, and digital marketing. This suggests that while some jobs will be lost, new opportunities will emerge. The key to navigating this transition is to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Governments and educational institutions must invest in retraining and upskilling programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market. This includes fostering digital literacy, critical thinking skills, and creativity, which are essential for success in the age of AI. Moreover, businesses must take an active role in reskilling their workforce. By providing employees with opportunities to learn new technologies and develop in-demand skills, companies can retain valuable talent and ensure a smooth transition to an AI-augmented workplace. In this third section, we explore the dark side of AI and unveil the potential threats. While AI's potential benefits are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential downsides. AI systems are not inherently neutral. They are shaped by the data they are trained on and the biases of their creators. This can lead to unintended consequences, such as algorithmic discrimination and the erosion of privacy. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it will learn and perpetuate those biases in its decision-making. For example, a facial recognition system trained on a dataset predominantly composed of white faces may perform poorly when identifying people of color. Another concern is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making. Many AI systems, particularly deep learning models, are considered black boxes because it's difficult to understand how they arrive at their conclusions. This lack of explainability raises serious ethical questions, especially when AI is used in high-stakes domains such as healthcare, criminal justice, and finance. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to develop ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. This includes ensuring that AI systems are fair, unbiased, transparent, and accountable. It also requires fostering a culture of responsible AI innovation, where developers are mindful of the potential societal impact of their creations. In our final section, we address algorithmic bias and the question of whether it's perpetuating inequality. Algorithmic bias is a growing concern in the age of AI. As AI systems are increasingly used to make decisions that impact people's lives, it's crucial to ensure that these systems are fair and impartial. However, AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, And if the data reflects existing societal biases, the algorithms will perpetuate those biases. One example of algorithmic bias is in the criminal justice system. Some jurisdictions use AI-powered risk assessment tools to predict the likelihood of recidivism. However, studies have shown that these tools are often biased against people of color, potentially leading to harsher sentences or unfair treatment. Another example is in hiring. Some companies use AI-powered resume screening tools to identify promising candidates. However, these tools can perpetuate gender and racial biases if they are trained on datasets that reflect historical inequalities in the workplace. For example, a resume screening tool trained on a dataset of predominantly male engineers may unfairly penalize female applicants. Addressing algorithmic bias requires a multi-pronged approach. It's essential to ensure that training datasets are diverse and representative of the populations they are intended to serve. It's also important to develop techniques for detecting and mitigating bias in AI algorithms. Finally, it's crucial to establish clear accountability mechanisms to ensure that AI systems are used fairly and responsibly. Section 5. The Black Box Problem: AI's Lack of Transparency. The lack of transparency in AI decision-making, often referred to as the black box problem, is a significant concern. Many AI systems, particularly those based on deep learning, are incredibly complex. While they can achieve impressive results, it's often difficult or impossible to understand how they arrive at their conclusions. This lack of explainability can have serious consequences, especially when AI is used in high-stakes domains. For example, if an AI-powered medical diagnosis system recommends a particular treatment, it's crucial for doctors to understand how the system arrived at that recommendation. Similarly, if an AI-powered loan application system rejects a borrower, the borrower deserves to know why. The black box problem undermines trust in AI and can perpetuate existing inequalities. If people don't understand how AI systems are making decisions, they are less likely to trust those decisions. Moreover, if AI systems are used in ways that are opaque and unaccountable, they can be used to discriminate against certain groups or individuals. Addressing the black box problem requires developing techniques for making AI systems more transparent and explainable. This includes developing methods for visualizing how AI systems work, providing clear explanations for AI-driven decisions, and establishing auditing mechanisms to ensure that AI systems are operating as intended. Section 6. The Surveillance Threat: AI as a Tool for Micromanagement. The use of AI in the workplace is raising concerns about increased surveillance and micromanagement. AI-powered tools can track employees' every move, from their keystrokes to their physical location, potentially creating an oppressive work environment. For example, some companies are using AI-powered emotion recognition software to monitor employees' facial expressions and tone of voice during meetings. This technology raises serious privacy concerns and could be used to penalize employees for expressing dissent or dissatisfaction. Moreover, AI-powered scheduling software can optimize employee schedules for maximum efficiency, often at the expense of employee well-being. This can lead to unpredictable schedules, last-minute shift changes, and a lack of work-life balance. To prevent AI from becoming a tool for oppressive surveillance, it's crucial to establish clear guidelines for its use in the workplace. Employees should be informed about what data is being collected and how it is being used. They should also have a say in how AI is implemented in their workplace. Unions and worker advocacy groups have a crucial role to play in ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly. They can negotiate for worker protections, advocate for transparency and accountability, and push for regulations that safeguard employee rights in the age of AI. Section 7. Cybersecurity Risks: AI as a Double-Edged Sword. While AI offers promising solutions for enhancing cybersecurity, it also introduces new vulnerabilities. Hackers are increasingly using AI to develop sophisticated attacks that can bypass traditional security measures. AI-powered malware can learn and adapt to security systems, making it more difficult to detect and prevent attacks. AI can also be used to automate phishing attacks, creating highly personalized and convincing emails that trick users into giving up sensitive information. Furthermore, AI can be used to create deep fakes, which are highly realistic but fake videos or audio recordings. Deep fakes can be used to spread disinformation, manipulate public opinion, or even extort individuals. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to invest in AI-powered cybersecurity solutions that can detect and respond to these evolving threats. This includes developing AI systems that can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that indicate malicious activity. It's also essential to promote collaboration between cybersecurity experts and AI researchers. By working together, they can develop more robust security measures and stay ahead of the curve in the ongoing arms race against cybercriminals. Section 8. Bridging the Skills Gap. Preparing for an AI-driven future. The rapid advancement of AI is creating a skills gap in the workforce. As AI automates many routine tasks, there is a growing demand for workers with specialized skills in AI development, data science, and other related fields. Traditional education systems are struggling to keep up with the pace of technological change. Many schools and universities lack the resources and expertise to offer specialized training in AI and related fields. This is creating a shortage of qualified workers, which could hinder the adoption of AI and slow economic growth. Addressing the skills gap requires a multifaceted approach. Governments need to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need for the jobs of the future. This includes supporting STEM education, promoting apprenticeships and internships in AI-related fields, and providing financial assistance for retraining and upskilling programs. Businesses also have a crucial role to play. They can partner with educational institutions to develop customized training programs, offer on-the-job training opportunities, and invest in their employees' professional development. Ethical AI navigating the moral maze. The development and deployment of AI raise profound ethical questions. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are capable of making decisions that have significant consequences for individuals and society as a whole. It's essential to ensure that these decisions are aligned with our values and principles. One of the key ethical challenges is ensuring that AI is used for good and not for harm. AI has the potential to be used for malicious purposes, such as developing autonomous weapons or creating surveillance systems that erode privacy. It's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations that prevent the misuse of AI. Another challenge is ensuring that AI is fair and unbiased. AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases if they are not developed and deployed responsibly. It's essential to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse datasets and that they are designed to be fair and inclusive. Transparency and accountability are also crucial. As AI systems become more complex, it's essential to ensure that their decision-making processes are transparent and accountable. This includes developing mechanisms for explaining AI decisions and establishing clear lines of responsibility for AI-driven outcomes. The role of regulation establishing guardrails for AI. The rapid development and deployment of AI necessitate a robust regulatory framework to ensure its ethical and responsible use. Governments around the world are grappling with the challenge of regulating AI without stifling innovation. One approach is to establish clear guidelines and standards for AI development and deployment. This could include requirements for data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and human oversight of AI systems. It could also involve creating ethical review boards to assess the potential impact of AI systems before they are deployed. Another important aspect of regulation is addressing the issue of liability. As AI systems become more autonomous, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible when things go wrong. Clear legal frameworks are needed to establish liability for AI-related harms and to ensure that victims have access to justice. Regulation should be flexible and adaptable to keep pace with the rapid evolution of AI. It's also important to foster international cooperation to establish global norms and standards for ethical AI development and deployment. Human-AI collaboration, a symbiotic relationship. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human workers, it's more constructive to envision a future of human-AI collaboration. AI can augment human capabilities, freeing us from mundane and repetitive tasks, and allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic work. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and developing personalized treatment plans. This allows doctors to spend more time with their patients, providing empathy and human connection, while AI handles the data-intensive tasks. In education, AI can personalize learning experiences for students, providing them with customized content and support. This frees up teachers to focus on mentoring students, fostering creativity, and developing critical thinking skills. The key to successful human-AI collaboration is to design AI systems that complement and enhance human capabilities, rather than replacing them entirely. This requires a deep understanding of human cognition, psychology, and work practices. Conclusion: shaping a future with AI. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize our world for the better. However, like any powerful tool, it must be used responsibly and ethically. By addressing the challenges and harnessing the opportunities presented by AI, we can create a future where AI benefits all members of society. This requires a collaborative effort from policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. We need to establish ethical guidelines for AI development, promote responsible AI innovation, and prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. We must also be mindful of the potential downsides of AI, such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the erosion of privacy. By addressing these concerns head-on, we can ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape it in a way that benefits humanity. By embracing a future of human-AI collaboration, we can create a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for all.